Going on an adventure. Going on an adventure, Charlie. I don't really remember what this place is called.
It's like Commons Park or
Commons
something.
Park or something. It's we wanted somewhere to go walk and on some trails.
Jacksonville.
I'm waiting on you.
It says it's 100 Recreation Lane.
Okay, I think it's pretty close.
I know, but that's saying circle.
Circle. I don't think she knows what's
Should I
going
do the
on.
circle? Or do you want to stop by that hotel?
Let's go to the hotel and find what it's called. Beep beep world, here we come. Are you excited to finally go to this place? We've been talking about doing this for like 2 months.
Yeah, I think so.
The weather's good today for it. It's like,
86.
whoa, you told me it was in the 70s.
Well, it might be because the car was sitting in the sun. So.
It was really hot last week. It was in the high 80s last week. And then this week, it's been kind of cold. It's been like in the 60s. So we lucked out today with good weather.
Beautiful. I need a nap.
I just got a call that me and Maddie won a 5-star resort package for 70% off. How lucky of us, huh? There's no way that was a scam.
You don't think?
No way. People don't just tell you you're gonna get a free vacation and don't give it to you with that weird hidden cost. That's not a thing. What are we gonna do for food today? I'm hungry.
Chicken?
Chicken? What kind of chicken?
I don't know.
Just throw some seasoning on that and throw it in the oven?
Sure.
Alright. Alright, we made it to our destination. It turns out it's like a recreation center and there's like baseball diamonds and walking trails, and I think there's tennis courts and some running areas. So are you excited?
I'm excited.
We're just gonna go explore. I can't believe we've never even known about this place until now.
It's like 8 minutes from, or not even, I meant.
It's like 5 minutes from our
Yeah.
house.
I read the number 8.
Radical. So we're trying to figure out where to walk, and I guess we're just gonna start walking.
Because I don't want to.
Birds are laughing at us.
Haha.
Haha. Shut up. It's me. Yeah, we could go to the playground. You could swing on mats.
I don't want to swing.
You could swing. You could slide. Wow.
Best day ever.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Excuse the lawnmower in the background.
Highlight of my week has been this little girl and this little boy talking. The little boy said, "I'm gonna marry you someday," and the little girl goes, "Careful, I'm a roller coaster."
How old is this girl?
3.
There you go. There you have it. Our youthful generation already learning things like this. Can't believe we've never known this was here. This is a good walking spot. We could even run here.
When have we ever ran?
Wait.
I'm trying to get a picture. Our feet, no, go and walk it, no.
Oh my
Act like you're walking
Lanta.
forward. Act like this. It was cooler when you were
What
all...
she does for Instagram.
Fine, we'll just do a selfie then. It's too sunny, we need more shade. Perfect.
She is a pain. So beautiful. Nature and the birds. We should set up a tent in here and go camping. I miss playing baseball so much. Take me back to when.
Take me back to the start.
Did you find something fun to do?
It's kind of uncomfortable.
Well, maybe that's because it's meant for kids.
I'm a kid at heart.
Look at his mouth. It's weird. He's got like teeth where teeth shouldn't be and gums where gums shouldn't be.
Told you they were uncomfortable. You're gonna break that. This is when we go. I just don't want to get ticks.
Ticks are fun.
No.
Maybe we'll just go hike through the woods, huh? No trail. Make our own trail. Bear Grylls style. Eat some bugs and grubs and go fishing and eat it raw. Because ain't nobody got time to make a fire.
I'm hungry.
Me too. I'm really hungry.
Like, not just hungry. Is that sun hitting you as hard as it's hitting me?
I mean, it's hitting me. Hot. He's hot.
Why are there two trails?
I really want to go in there. Do you know how fun this would have been as a kid for me? Do you know how much time me and Jack Lorch spent in the woods? We would like, oh my, okay, story time. My dad got so mad at me one day because he had this gas weed whacker. It was gas operated, so we could take it anywhere. And so I took it into the woods, and we like cleared out this whole area in the woods. And he found out I used his gas weed whacker, and he was kind of pissed. But we like cleared out this spot. We took like plywood and we climbed up the trees and we built forts up in the trees, like super high, like all the way up there. And dude,
Great story. Tell it again.
Actually, we got caught by one of our neighbors making a campfire one time. She came out and yelled at us.
Weirdo.
Like the pre-cooked. Did you get a bug on you?
You did. Hello.
Is that your mom?
Hello, Kevin.
Who is it calling you?
Windows operated?
Her accents are pathetic.
Oh, well, I don't have a computer.
What is she doing?
Alright, bye.
What was that?
I said, hello, my name is Kevin. I'm from the Windows service. I said, Windows? He goes, yeah, for your computer.
Well, maybe one of these days we'll go to Asheville, which is like over by Tennessee, and there's mountains and stuff you can hike. There she goes running. She's leaving me finally. Am I driving? Okay. After that long and treacherous 60-mile hike we did, we
we're
decided
so
that
sweaty.
we didn't want to cook. So we're going to get Zach's meat instead.
We decided wings would hit the spot.
When do wings not hit the spot?
But
Are you a Zach's girl?
I'm a Zach's girl.
I'm a Zach's boy.
Are you a Zaxy boy? Oh, you're gonna laugh at me? He doesn't think I'm not funny.
Actually, I do. I tell you you're funny all the time.
The funniest person you know.
No.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, we're back home now. I don't know why we ever leave the house in the first place. It's so nice and comfortable here. Look how good these cheese bites look. And those are Maddie's
We're out of
ones.
forks.
They're in the dishwasher.
Oh, I bet they gave us some.
Are you super happy to eat?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go eat now. Bye. Say bye.
There goes a sight from my soul.